The GoPro Quik app has had a massive makeover with the release of the brand new GoPro Hero 12. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the GoPro Quik app to make your content creation process a lot easier and a lot more fun. So from the GoPro Quik app, we're going to tap on the GoPro icon, which is down the bottom right hand corner. And that's going to bring up a new screen. And on the screen, it's going to come up with like a Bluetooth, and it's going to recognize that we are connected to your Hero 12. Okay, so we've currently got the video screen rolling here on the GoPro Hero. As you can see, we're in the video mode here. Now, here on the GoPro Quik app, all we need to do is press Enable Preview, and it'll connect to the Wi-Fi. And then once we do that, what's going to happen is your GoPro Quik app will actually show you exactly what the camera is seeing. Now, in past years, this was often as far as you got, especially with higher resolutions like 4K and 5.3K. Once you press the record button, your screen went black on your Quik app and you didn't really know what you were recording. But this year, things are different. So if I press the record button here, like so, the GoPro has started to record. And here on the Quik app, even though I'm recording at 5.3K in this case, I don't have any issues with viewing that preview screen. So that's pretty exciting. I can even tap on the option button down the bottom. I can change the resolution to say 4K, 16:9. Let's get out of this screen here. Now if I hit the record button again, you can see that I can still see exactly what the GoPro is seeing while I am, you can see I can see exactly what the GoPro is recording while I'm using the Quik app, which is fantastic. Now, of course, when you are using the Quik app, if you are using this as a remote with your GoPro and you see something sensational, you want to tap on this little orange icon down the bottom right hand corner. This is your tag icon, although to me it looks like a white book with an orange background, so you can tap on that and that'll put a tag onto your footage. So if you are going to use the Quik app to edit in the future, those tags will make it very, very handy for you to find your favorite parts of your video. So once you finish with that, you can once you finish recording, you can press the stop button. And once we go back to this previous screen here, oh, there we go, we're back in the screen here. If you want to, you can tap on the View Media button to view what has been recorded. Okay, and you also have the same options when it comes to photo, and you can enable preview with that as well. And of course, you can do the same with time warp and time lapse, and those sort of options as well. Another option here on the screen, you can see where it says live stream. We're going to talk about that in a future video, and that's all available here from your GoPro Quik app. And you can also tap on the auto upload option as well, so you can make a few selections there too if you want to auto upload your footage. So what do you think of the updated GoPro Quik app? Do you use it to create content with your GoPro Hero? Let me know in the comments section down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you want to learn more about the awesome stuff that you can do with your GoPro Hero, then you want to click on this link over here right now. As usual, thanks for your company, and I'll see you in the next video.